Hey guys, this is Bryce from Bulldog Bites, and today I'm going to be showing you some area problems with this unit square here. Alright, this is a pretty simple problem. We got the square laid out here. You can see it's more of a rectangle, but up here we got 2 units plus a half unit. So you know this whole side is going to be 2.5 units by 2 units. So now, remember the area formula, area just equals width times length. That's how I remember it. So now here, how many units long is it? So it's 2.5 units long by 2 units wide. So now we just have to multiply that. 2.5 times 2. That equals 5. Now the area, 5 units squared. Sweet, that's how you find your area of a rectangle. I hope that helps.